Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English Learning Group. I'm so excited to be sharing this journey with you. Learning a new language can seem like a daunting task. Believe me, I've been there. But it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Remember how you felt learning your first language? It all starts with a single step. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure together. We're going to show you how to start speaking English in just 7 days. It's all about building confidence, one day at a time. We'll guide you with practical tips and simple steps that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. So grab a notebook, find a comfy spot, and let's get started. Let's begin our journey with the foundations of communication. Greetings. Today, we'll focus on simple greetings that you'll use every single day. Start with the essentials. Hello, good morning, good evening, and how are you? Practice saying these greetings out loud, paying attention to your pronunciation. Remember, even the smallest steps bring you closer to fluency. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every little effort counts. Congratulations on completing day 1. Today we're going to build on your success by learning some common phrases that are used in everyday conversations. These phrases will come in handy in a variety of situations. Practice saying thank you, please, excuse me, and I'm sorry. Imagine yourself using these phrases in real-life scenarios. The more you practice, the more natural they will become. Welcome to day 3. Today, we'll be focusing on pronunciation, a crucial aspect of speaking English clearly and confidently. Start by breaking down words into individual sounds. Pay close attention to how your mouth moves when you pronounce each sound. Remember, practice makes perfect. Record yourself speaking and listen back to identify areas where you can improve. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Chapter 4. It's day 4 and we're expanding our vocabulary. Learning new words is like collecting precious gems that will enrich your language skills. Challenge yourself to learn a few new words every day. You can use flashcards, a vocabulary app, or simply write them down in a notebook. The key is to use these new words in sentences to solidify your understanding and make them a part of your active vocabulary. Remember, every new word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Congratulations on reaching day 5. Today, we're taking a big step starting simple conversations. Remember all those greetings and phrases you've learned? It's time to put them into practice. Start by having short conversations with friends or family members who are comfortable with English. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to gain confidence and fluency through practice. Remember, every conversation, no matter how small, is a valuable learning opportunity. Welcome to day 6. Today we're going to refine your listening and pronunciation skills. Listening to native English speakers is one of the best ways to improve your own pronunciation and accent. Find English audio or watch videos that interest you. As you listen, pay attention to the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation of the speakers. Repeat what you hear, mimicking their pronunciation as closely as possible. This exercise will train your ear and help you internalize the natural flow of English. Congratulations on reaching the final day of our challenge. Today, we're going to solidify everything you've learned by practicing with a partner. Find a language partner who is also learning English, or a native speaker who is willing to help you practice. Engage in conversations, ask each other questions, and have fun. Remember, the more you practice speaking, the more confident and fluent you will become. Congratulations on completing our 7-day challenge. You've taken the first step towards English fluency, and that's something to be incredibly proud of. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a destination. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy English Learning Group for more tips and lessons. We're here to support you every step of the way. See you next time.